The 11.8-inch screen to 10-core Android Car Radio Navigation Multimedia Carplay GPS Wi-Fi head unit, available on Aliexpress, is an advanced car entertainment system designed to transform your driving experience. This high-tech head unit combines multimedia functionalities with seamless connectivity, making it an essential upgrade for any vehicle. Here's an in-depth look at its key features and benefits. One of the standout features of this head unit is its large 11.8-inch screen. The expansive display offers a high-resolution interface that makes navigating menus, watching videos, and viewing maps a visually pleasing experience. The large screen size also ensures that information is easy to read at a glance, enhancing safety and convenience while driving. Equipped with a robust 10-core processor, this Android car radio delivers smooth and fast performance. Whether you're multitasking between apps, streaming music, or using navigation, the 10-core CPU ensures that everything runs efficiently without lag. This powerful performance is ideal for modern drivers who demand quick responsiveness from their in-car entertainment system. Integrated CarPlay and GPS navigation are key features of this head unit. CarPlay allows you to connect your iPhone to the car radio, providing access to apps, calls, messages, and music directly from the car's display. GPS navigation ensures you never lose your way, with real-time traffic updates and accurate route guidance making every journey smoother and more efficient. The head unit comes with a frame and power cord adapter cable, designed for easy plug-and-play installation. This user-friendly approach means you can upgrade your car's infotainment system without the need for professional installation services, saving time and money. The 11.8-inch screen to 10-core Android Car Radio Navigation Multimedia CarPlay GPS Wi-Fi head unit is a feature-rich and versatile upgrade for any vehicle. Its powerful processor, large screen, and comprehensive connectivity options make it a standout choice for drivers looking to enhance their in-car entertainment and navigation systems. With support for original car controls and easy installation, it offers both convenience and advanced functionality, making it a top pick on Aliexpress.